Every day across Wales, we see firsthand and celebrate the richness, the strengths and the contributions that Black, Asian and minority ethnic people bring to Wales. But this month, we will shine a brighter light on those contributions as we celebrate Black History Month. This is Welsh history. October is a special opportunity to pay tribute to the figures of our past and our present. This week, a statue of Betty Campbell was unveiled in our capital city. Betty was a change maker who overcame so many barriers in her life. Racism, prejudice and intolerance. They didn't stop her. Instead, it galvanised her to push forward and achieve. Today, we have a lasting tribute to Betty's life and achievements. We also celebrate the work of Professor Charlotte Williams, who has challenged and shaped our new curriculum, of Gaynor Legal, who led a pioneering audit about Wales's own difficult relationship with the slave trade, and Professor Emmanuel Ogbonna, who has guided our work on anti-racism, helping us to forge a different future for Wales, an anti-racist Wales, where everyone is valued. As we mark Black History Month this year, I leave you with these words from Barack Obama. He said, "Change will not come if we wait for some other person or if we wait for some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we seek."